Wait, now's the time to start thinking about the moves you made in 2011 that could fatten your tax refund. Our Taking Action reporter Jackie Calloway is here with some tax advice and some often overlooked deductions. Jackie.
Exactly. You know, we spoke to two experts, one on each side of the bay. They say the biggest mistakes they see people make involve, well, losing documents and forgotten deductions. Here's their advice for getting the most out of your tax refund.
I don't know if I should use the standard deduction.
Unclaimed deductions translate into smaller refunds. Here are some that get overlooked. If you volunteer, you cannot itemize your time, but you can write off things like mileage and uniforms.
And like Boy Scouts said, you have to buy a uniform. Well, uniforms are deductible.
Clearwater financial planner John Bryan points out the tax code is always changing, so it's hard to keep up with all that taxpayers can claim. Other often overlooked items include health insurance costs for the self-employed, moving expenses, and medical bills that add up to more than a certain percentage of your annual income. Even if you work a 9-to-5 gig and draw a W-2, you might still be able to claim some job-related expenses.
They still take out of their pockets to pay for things for work, business cards, uniform cleaning.
Over at Jackson Hewitt, preparer Bernie Smith finds that clients don't realize they can claim exemptions for grown children or parents who have moved in.
If they lived in the home with you for the year, their income, if they had any at all, was was minimal, and you took care of them over 50%, then yes, you can get that credit.
John Bryan also advises his clients on deductions he classifies as audit triggers.
An audit trigger would be any type of expense item or loss item that's large.
Triggers include mortgage interest deductions over 50 grand, large non-cash charitable contributions, and large deductions in relation to income. Now, when it comes to hiring a preparer, as of last year, all paid tax preparers must have a tax identification number from the IRS. Make sure you ask for that tax ID number before giving anyone any money to do your taxes.